Welcome to China! This is my first ever travel vlog. We're gonna go around to reconnect again to the places, especially yung mga historical ancient palace nila dito sa Luoyang, China. Introduce to you guys my fiancé.
I'm Tristan.
Ito yung ancient gate nila and sobrang ganda dito. I'll show you around. Sobrang modern nila, sobrang advanced nila sa technology and everything. They still manage to preserve this kind of ancient history. Sobrang daming god and goddesses na nagtitake ng picture. Halos araw-araw ginagawa nila yan. Hindi sila napapagod. Ganun nila kamahal yung kultura nila. Ganun din sila ka-proud. Unfortunately, we need to go. Di na ako makapag-renew ng visa ko and it's okay. And we're gonna be going sa Wadikap, Thailand. Wish me all the best. Sana makapasok tayo ng Thailand. Finally, we are arrived in Thailand! Sawadika! This is gonna be a new beginning to a new country with this same person. Hi vlog, this is Charlie and today this is gonna be my first ever travel vlog na gagawin ko. Naisipan ko mag-vlog kasi I'm staying here in China for almost 2 years na. Kasama ko yung fiancé ko, si Tristan. And I am a student here and siya naman nag-work siya dito sa China. Unfortunately, we need to go kasi hindi na ako makapag-renew ng visa ko and then yung partner ko naman is nag-resign na siya sa work niya. Tomorrow is yung flight namin. And we're gonna be going sa Wadikap, Thailand. And sana maging successful yun so I can do my travel vlog. Pero wala na kaming time para magdrama kasi that's just how life is. It's okay kasi ganun talaga. Gagawin na lang namin is to enjoy this moment, to enjoy this day, this final day, and we're gonna go around to reconnect again to the places, especially yung mga historical ancient palace nila dito sa Luoyang, China. Before tayo umalis, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung fiancé ko. Tristan, come here. So let me introduce to you guys my fiancé. And introduce yourself, my love.
I'm Tristan.
So why are you Tristan? And see the feeling, even it's just camera, di ba? The pressure. But
I
anyway,
don't really want to talk about myself.
yeah, we're not gonna talk about yourselves. What are you gonna do today?
So we're going to go to the Luoyang ancient gates, and then we're going to have dinner.
We're gonna have dinner.
Yep.
Dinner date for the last time here in China. Tara na, let's go.
Let's go.
Titignan natin kung anong sasakyan natin. Are we gonna ride Didi or e-bike? Yeah. We're gonna ride the scooter. Papakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano yung scooter dito. Nirerentahan lang yung scooter dito ay sobrang mura. Mga nasa 2 yuan lang ata yung scooter dito. Pag nag-rent ka ng scooter. 2 to 4 yuan, something like that. Sobrang mura. So ayan, nasa labas na tayo and we're gonna look for Didi scooter. Ayan yung ginagawa ng mga tao ngayon. Yan, maghanap tayo ng Didi, yung yellow kasi. Hindi kasi Didi yung yellow. Kasi yung Didi scooter kasi is yung yun lang yung may access ako. Yung isa kasi wala, yung iba kasing scooter wala kasi akong access nun. So okay. Ay, meron na dito. Marami ng scooter dito. So, parang pwede na. Ayun, marami ng scooter there. Tuti! So, need nyo lang iskan to para magamit nyo siya. And then automated na rin yung prices na ibibigay sa'yo ng Didig based dun sa kilometers na ita-travel nyo. Grabe yung pimples ko. Grabe. Huwag niyong pansinin yan. Kasi nangangagat yan pag pinapansin. Joke lang. Sobrang ganda ng daan ng China actually. Yung mga road nila, yung transportation, land transportation nila, sobrang ganda. And sobrang laki. And ang daming space para sa mga scooter. Iba yung space para sa mga scooter, sa mga bikes, sa sidewalk, and para sa mga cars. Which is good. Ang mahirap lang dito ay makipagsabayan sa Chinese driver kasi halos lahat sila parang fast and furious sila mag-drive. Ganun yung mga Chinese, no? Right, Tristan? They drive so fast. Magaling sila mag-drive pero nakakatakot. Pero minsan si Tristan naging ganyan na rin siya eh. Right, Tristan? Sometimes you're like being a Chinese driver. Sometimes you're adopting the style of Chinese driving.
You have to survive.
You have to survive. You need to keep up. So, nandito na tayo sa gate. What is this? Luoyang Gate. So, Luoyang Gate. Ito yung ancient gate nila and sobrang ganda dito. I'll show you around. Sobrang laki niya. Gate pa lang yan. Wala pa tayo sa mismong palasyo. Gate pa lang yan. Bibili tayo ng ticket kung pwede pa. Kung hindi pa siya magsasara.
看好了，这个啊。这个天门主要就是汉服打卡的，
Oh, it's a photography thing. No.
就是 I want to 一个 photo。
It's okay. Thank you. So, papasok na tayo. Titingin tayo ng tickets kung available yung mga tickets nila. Kaya bago kayo makapasok, marami kayong makikita mga photographer na nag-aalok dyan ng mga traditional outfits and yung mga photographer. Mag-aalok yan sila dyan. Here, Tristan. And may mga props na rin silang pwedeng paggamit sa inyo kung gusto nyo siyang i-try. Pero ako hindi ko pa siya natatry eh. Pero parang gusto ko din i-try pero hindi na ngayon. Wala tayong masyadong oras para doon. So we're gonna get tickets first. So habang kumukuha si Tristan ng tickets doon, explain ko lang sa inyo, ito yung pinaka-gate. So itong gate na to, napuntahan na namin to, napasukan na namin. Sobrang laki ng gate. Hindi ko na papasukin to ulit para ipakita sa inyo kasi sobrang taas nito. Wala siyang way na pwede kang mag-shortcut or if you wanna cut the tour. Wala siyang ganon. You need to finish the tour para makalabas sa exit, which is gonna be at the back. Papasok ng mga palasyo. So walang way na para i-cut yung tour. Andito halos lahat ng mga Chinese people na nagko-costume sila, nag-outfit sila as god and goddesses and nagke-take sila ng photos dito. Almost everyday ginagawa nila yan. Hindi sila napapagod. Lagi sila nag-outfit, nag-makeup. Kasi gusto nilang, ganyan, parang gusto nilang ma-experience yung vibe as an ancient, how to live during those times, yung ganon. When this mall was created, I mean this gate, mall? What did I say, mall? Wall, yeah, wall. Or when this gate was created. Sorry. Bushu. So marami talaga lalapit sa inyo dito para tanungin kung gusto nyo mag-avail nung mga photography, eme nila and yung mga outfitan ng god and goddesses. So where are we going?
We have to go around.
No, we can walk there on the other side, remember?
She said,
Really? But I think we can walk there on the other side. Remember what we did before? Kailangan namin lumabas sa kabilang side. So hindi kami papasok ng wall, hindi kami papasok ng gate. Dadaan kami sa gilid para makapunta kami dun sa palasyo, which is yung pupuntahan namin, yung 9th floor. Is that the 9th floor?
what do you mean?
Where we going?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 9th floor. The 9th floor is the Empress's Palace. So that's where we're going. Basta yung gate, yung pinaka main purpose lang ng gate is dito sila nag-receive ng foreigners. Dun sa pinakatuktok ng gate na to, may special place doon yung mga foreigner. So hindi sila nakakapasok sa mismong palasyo. Hanggang dito lang sila sa may gate. Pero yung gate kasi parang palasyo na eh. Ang laki kasi ng gate. Pwede naman tayo mag-tour papunta sa palasyo kahit hindi kayo pumasok sa gate. And yung price pala nito is 60 yuan, right? 60 yuan per head, per person. So nandito na tayo sa kabilang side ng gate. Ito yung sa exit ng gate. So pagka-exit ng gate, dito nyo na makikita yung palasyo ng Emperor and palasyo ng Empress, which is nasa harap namin ngayon. Where is it? There. So itong malaki na yon, yung mataas, yun yung palasyo ng mga Empress, and then itong bilog, yung bilog na yan, yun yung palasyo ng Emperor. Ito yung sobrang daming god and goddesses na nagtitake ng picture. Halos araw-araw ginagawa nila yan. Hindi sila napapagod. Sobrang dami ng tao dito. Normally kapag may occasion, like holidays, sobrang dami palagi ng tao. Halos araw-araw ginagawa naman nila eh, pero hindi sila nagsasawa. Ganun nila kamahal ng kultura nila. Ganun din sila ka-proud. Which is nakakataba rin ang puso na makita na grabe. Hindi nga sila nahihiya eh, kahit bata, matanda, may anak. Minsan buong pamilya pa, naka-outfit sila. Like, tinan mo na, no? Go girl, aura mo, pak. Ganun. Can you hold it now? I'm getting tired. Wow, ang ganda. Nung maakyat ka sa temple, sa palace. Tapos Tristan, binabasa niya kasi mahilig siya sa history. Mahilig siya sa magbasa ng mga ganyan. Ako wala akong hilig sa ganyan. So, ina-appreciate ko lang talaga yung ganda nung palace. Ito yung gate kung saan kami galing kanina. So, yun yung una nyo muna papasukan before to para sunod-sunod siya. So, tara na. Akyat na tayo para makita natin yung loob. Wow. Look at that. So, the palace have the full view of the gate. No, Tristan? So, imagine being an emperor and then you're just standing here. You're just standing here in front of your palace para lang makita yung gate na yan. Wow, ang ganda. Okay, tara, pasok na tayo. And then dito sa side na to, pwede kayong mag-rent ng mga traditional outfit dyan. Wow! So itong room na to, ito yung mga ancient outfit. Alam ko pwede nyo silang i-hire. This is 180 yuan. And then this one is 460 yuan. And you can sit on the throne. So marami kayong pagpipilian. Oh my God, medyo nakakatakot siya. Medyo nakakatakot naman to. Pati yung mga hairdress and wigs, sila na rin magpo-provide sa inyo. Let me try it.
I don't know. I don't think you
Ay, what do you mean? Looks good! Do you want us to take pictures here? Sorry?
Oh, pardon.
Picture pa kasi sila.
Bro with me a minute, okay?
It's alright, it's alright.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
You can speak English. Thank you. And may power bank. Diba? Nakita nyo, from very traditional ancient. Look at this. May mga automated things dito. Tara, let's go. Mahilig kami ni Tristan mag-collect ng mga souvenirs. Pero kasi hindi na kami pwede magbili pa ngayon kasi paalis na kami tomorrow. So wala na kami masyadong extra space sa luggage namin. Punong-puno na rin kasi talaga. Halos dadali na nga namin lahat ng gamit namin. What's this?
incense.
Huh?
Incense.
What do you mean incense? The fortune thing.
Burning.
Oh! We're like Baliu smelling it.
No, I think it's not.
Oh, really?
Because it's
locked.
scented incense.
Wow, this is good. This is good though. Nagugustuhan to ng nanay ko. Nagugustuhan to ni mother. So ito palang palasyo na to, itong unang palace na to, sa harap mismo ng gate, dito nakalagay yung throne ng emperor. Oh, it's so cute. Cute. Look at that little goddess. Grabe, sobrang daming naka-outfit na pang god and goddesses. Kahit lalaki, meron. Like, even guys are wearing girls'
Yeah.
outfit.
Yeah.
Ancient outfits.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's it? So that's it? Well, kasi ano lang siya eh. Ito lang kasi yung parang throne ng emperor. Sa harap mismo ng gate. Yun na yun. Medyo nabitin ako doon. Hindi ko yun expect na ganun lang siya kaliit. Pero maybe we can go on the ride. Let's see what we can see then. Pero sobrang ganda. Kung mahilig kayo mag-picture-picture and you want something na pang Instagrammable, maganda siya dito. Ito yung sinasabi ko, kahit lalaki, nag-outfit din sila ng pambabaeng god and goddesses. Super ganda nito pag gabi kasi sobrang liwanag. Ay, si Kuya medyo pagod na siya. Isa pang goddess, napagod na rin siya. Is that Zishan? So kung nakikilala niyo si Zishan from Mobile Legends, galing siya sa Chinese Empire. So, siya yung pinakaunang empress ng China or Luoyang. Si Xixan ang pinakaunang empress ng Luoyang. So, si Xixan sa Mobile Legend is actually the same sa Xixan ng empress ng Luoyang. So, dun siya nakuha. Dun siya inspire. So, we're gonna wait for the lift para makaakyat tayo sa taas. Wala atang stairs or meron. Actually, merong stairs pero do you wanna do the stairs?
Well, the lift is here.
Okay. They're going down. Aren't they?
So we can go in. Just go.
Medyo kinabahan ako doon sa lift. Kasi nakasulat sa lift, 6 person lang ang maximum. But ang dami na namin sa loob. Did you see the maximum limit?
Yeah.
It's just 6 persons. And then we're like, how many in there? More than 10. Second floor is more on shop, souvenir shop. So wala naman masyadong ganap sa sa bawat floors. More on sculptures lang talaga siya and hall. So yung pinaka main spot lang talaga niya is yung nasa 9th floor, which is yung Buddha. So aside from that, wala na masyado. It's more on the hall lang talaga siya na parang kung saan nagpupulong yung mga tao. Medyo nakakapagod lang siya pag gagamitin yung hagdan. Pero meron naman silang lift. Pero medyo natatakot ako sa lift kasi yung mga tao hindi nila sinusunod yung nakasulat. Sinabing 6 person lang nakasulat. Pumapasok sila lahat. Nagkisiksikan sila. So nakakatakot siya baka biglang mag-collapse. So safety first tayo. Parang ang quiet. Sobrang peaceful ng vibes dito. There is room, Tristan. I think these are rooms. I think they are the rooms. Yes. I mean, yes, of course, we're not gonna see the rooms, but I feel like this is our rooms. Try to translate it. So feeling ko ito yung mga rooms, parang hindi lang nila tinuloy yung pagkakagawa kasi parang hindi naman na dapat. Pero may mga pinto kasi, maybe it means, yeah, I think it's rooms. Kasi may mga pinto na parang pang hotel. So feeling ko, andito nga yung mga rooms ng palace, pero hindi na lang nila din ginawa yung mga rooms. Hindi na nila ni-rebuild. Siyempre wala naman na sigurong titira kasi.
I was expecting to see bedrooms or things like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. I'm expecting bedrooms because this is the palace of the emperor and the empress. Sabi ni Tristan, nag-expect siya ng bedroom. Sabi ko ako din kasi ina-expect ko ito yung palace ng emperor and empress. So dapat may mga bedrooms, di ba?
速茶，把烘烤冷却后的茶饼用特制的木锤敲，将敲碎的茶饼放入鎏金红艳文岩茶。
Do you like it? Are you enjoying it?
Well, I feel like I want to read
Yeah.
about it.
Okay, go read so you can share something here. Instead of us trying to guess. And there's nothing to read on. That's what I noticed as well. So mas maganda pala siguro kung nag-hire kami ng English translator or mag-explain like tour guide. Mas maganda pag may ganun para mas maintindihan yung every spot. Hindi ko na alam kung nakailang floor na kami. Pero 9th floor lang naman to. Pero parang feeling ko ito na yung last. Ito na yung final floor. Welcome to China! Ito yung sinasabi ko na kahit sobrang modern nila, sobrang advanced nila sa technology and everything, they still manage to preserve this kind of ancient history. And kwento ko lang guys about dun sa gate na yan mismong gate na yan, ni-rebuild lang nila yan. Pero before kasi ilang beses nang nasunog yan at pinabagsak yan ilang beses. Natapos na namin yung 9th floor ng palace. So more on hall lang talaga siya and more on souvenir shop. Pero ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Nakikita nyo na ba yung ilaw sa paligid ko? Ito yung sinasabi ko na sobrang ganda nito tuwing gabi kasi lumalabas yung ganda nung mga palace and nung gate kapag gabi kasi sobrang daming ilaw. Like literally araw-araw yan gabi-gabi. Madilim na pero sobrang liwanag niya. And ito yung palace kanina. Kung nasaan yung throne ng emperor. Sobrang liwanag. It's already 8 p.m. We're gonna have our dinner date. We're back here to our home sweet home. And pagod na ito, backlog to. Pagod na ako. But we still have to pack things kasi nga flight na namin tomorrow and wala na kaming time tomorrow para i-pack to. So, time check, it's already 12 a.m. Is it? 12 a.m. na. And gising pa rin kami. Dapat 10 p.m. pa lang tulog na kami. Pero wala kaming magagawa. Ginusto namin to. So, kailangan pa namin mag-pack. At the moment, nagpa-pack kami. And that's Tristan. Doing some packing as well. Papunta kami ng Xi'an, which is yung airport kung saan nakakita kami ng direct flight papuntang Thailand, Bangkok. So siguro makakarating kami ng Xi'an mga 7:30 p.m. mga ganon. 1.5 hour lang naman yung biyahe. And hopefully maging successful siya. Ngayon lang nag-sink in sa akin yung reality na iiwanan na namin yung China. Kasi kanina, bago kami umalis, nakita kasi kami ng mga nakilala namin around dun sa village and nagpapaalam na sila sa amin. And then yung nakakasad lang. Loob na kami ng train. So, pagpasok namin, yung experience okay naman. Sobrang smooth lang naman. And hindi din ganun kahaba yung pila since hindi naman kasi holiday right now. And weekdays din kasi. Normally kasi kapag holidays or weekends, sobrang daming tao palagi ng train station ng China. So hindi naman siya stressful. Plus, dito kapag nag-book na kayo ng online, kukunin na kasi agad yung information mo like yung passport, number, name, and everything. So hindi mo na kailangan ng physical ticket. You just have to scan your passport and then that's it. Papasukin mo na nila. And then, yun lang. Ganun lang siya kadali. Yun, habang may 1 hour and 15 minutes kami, susulitin ko na yung time. Mag-edit na ako para hindi ko na rin guluhin si Tristan kasi nag-work siya. He's working. Time check, what's the time? So it's about 8:30 and nakarating na kami dito sa Xi'an Airport. Sobrang ganda ng airport nila pero hindi ko na masyadong mapapakita kasi malilate na kami. 10 p.m. yung departure ng plane and hindi pa kami nakakapasok sa immigration. Nagkaka-check-in pa lang namin kasi tinapos pa kasi ng Tristan yung work niya, yung pinaka-final work niya. So hindi kami masyadong maaga nakapag-biyahe. So we're gonna go immigration. So sana okay lang ang lahat. So tapos na kami sa immigration. Immigration was smooth. Siyempre nasa ibang country naman tayo. Kaya wala tayo sa Pilipinas. Kaya smooth lang yun for sure. Kasi exiting country naman tayo. So Siguro kung magkaka-question man if ever yung entry natin sa Thailand. But hopefully it's not gonna happen. Pero now we're gonna have something to eat since 8:30 na and baka mga midnight na kami makarating sa Thailand. I want dumplings. Yeah, sorry.
How do you pay?
We pay. We should. No, it's okay. We're gonna together. Yeah. Ang tagal niya mag-order. Ganyan siya palagi. Sobrang patagal niya palagi mag-order. Pumili ng pagkain. Kasi sobrang selan ng tiyan niya. Allergic kasi siya sa gluten. So, he has to make sure na talagang 100% walang gluten yung kinakain niya or else manghihina talaga siya. What did you get?
微信收款78元。
Burger. So, dumpling sa akin kay Tristan burger. And how much is it? 78 yuan?
It's 78.
How much is 78 yuan?
Maybe 1,000.
No! 78 yuan, no!
Cheese.
Cheese, okay.
100 yuan is 700 pesos.
Let me see.
So, i-convert niya. Ang OA ng 2,000. So, this is Tristan food. Burger na walang bun. Are you happy with your burger without bun?
It's fine.
Ito sa akin, dumplings. Ang sarap yung tignan. Pero feeling ko mas masarap yung pagkain ni Tristan. Mas yung daming cheese. Pero in fairness, mura siya. Kasi iniisip ko dapat ano siya. Airport fries dapat siya. Pero hindi siya airport fries. Update ko na lang kayo pag nasa Thailand na kami. So, hindi man ako mag-video. And I need kasi yung phone. Kailangan ko i-save din yung battery ko ng phone ko para to make sure na I can access everything. Lahat ng mga hotel bookings, ganyan. Tsaka yung mga flight tickets. Para pag tinanong tayo ng immigration sa Thailand, mapapakita natin agad. So, wish me all the best. Sana makapasok tayo ng Thailand. See ya. Say bye.
See ya.
Is that all? Damn! Finally, we are arrived in Thailand! Sawadee ka! Tang 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 tang! Okay. So, nakuha na namin yung gamit namin. And then, tapos na rin kami sa immigration. Of course, tapos na kasi nakuha na namin yung gamit namin. We're gonna look for something to eat. And chichikahin ko kayo about sa immigration. Actually, wala naman nangyari sa immigration eh. Tinignan lang yung passport and then that's it, in-stamp na. Wala nang questions, which is good. Thanks God. And mukhang successful ang ating Thailand trip. Ano pa ba? Kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina masyado doon sa airport ng Xi'an. Sobrang ganda doon. Kaso, wala nang time. Medyo nangarag kami sa time. Pero babawi ako sa video. I'll make sure na mag-video ako here around Bangkok. Hanap muna kami ng pagkain. And we also need packet Wi-Fi. And SIM card. The best part. Food trip. What is this again? Egg noodle
Braised beef.
with braised beef. And then Tristan, what's yours?
Grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken with, what is that?
This.
Yeah,
Some
like
Thai
vegetable.
salad.
Thai salad. Yeah. And you have some rice as well. and coconut juice. Let's eat. So rate the food. How is it?
8.
8 out of 10? Not bad. But this is the exact same thing you had before. When was that? Last year! Ako naman rate ko tong egg noodle nila ng 8 din. So di ko in-expect na maanghang. Maanghang pala siya. Hindi ko kinaya yung anghang niya. Pero masarap. Time check. It's 2:31 a.m. Pagoda mga bading. I think we have to go now. So we can sleep. Yun na yun. Yun na yun, travel vlog. From China to Thailand. Yun na yun. Tapos na. My God, namimiss ko na agad yung China. But it's okay. This is gonna be a new beginning to a new country with this same person. And let's see kung ano mangyayari sa atin sa Thailand. Let's see. Say bye. Bye to them. Bye. See you on the next vlog. See you on the next vlog. If there's next vlog. If I get tired of it, baka wala nang next vlog. De, charis lang. Meron yan. Laban. Bye!